Hello friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have 100 t-shirt prints super bundle. Here is APS file and here is PNG file, full high definitions. So first I show you the size of this image. You see here 5.81 MB and resolution is 4921 by 3937 is resolution. These files are full high definition, so you can use on t-shirt print, or you can use everywhere like a t-shirt logos or PNG. You see the resolutions of this image, amazing. Wow, like a dragons or monster. You see the cobra. You see the file resolutions, amazing. These files same in APS file for Adobe Illustrator are full high definition. This file crocodile, wow, this person is Aquaman. You see the quality of this image, wow. Amazing. So you can adjust in Photoshop or in Adobe Illustrator. These are simply t-shirt designs. Here is APS file and you see 100 items are shirt prints. So I hope this data useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.